So this is it. We've had a full day, and I think a lot of productive conversations, and we're going to convert at least the high priority stuff from our roadmaps into kind of a vision that we'll put on the website, ideally. And I'll post the other roadmaps that I've shared from my presentation earlier today on the website, something I've been meaning to do. But I think there's been a lot of productive conversations in the breaks, at lunch. I'm really excited about hearing what everyone's been doing. And so last, I want to leave you guys with how to get involved with MoveIt. But before that, I think I need to, oh yeah, I have to say that PickNik is hiring, just because that's what you say at these conferences. So if you want to get involved with MoveIt more, you can do that as an intern, as a Google Summer Code student, as a full-time. We take remote. We're actually more than half remote now, which is crazy, but this is us in Colorado. We also hang out together sometimes. The next chance for you to do something MoveIt related is our hackathon next month. It'll be the 4th annual, and thanks to Ferguson for giving the idea for the first one. I guess I kind of ran with it. And it's November, what, 20th? It's been posted for a long time. I just have...
Wednesday, November 20th.
Thank you. I don't know why it's on the slide. And just pictures from last year's World MoveIt Day. This was the China one, which I thought was hilarious because I couldn't read my slides when I presented. I had to get my phone out to have a little cheat sheet because it had been translated. But that was a lot of fun outside of Shanghai. And we had, last year there was 12 locations like I mentioned. This is Felix running the one in Tokyo.
I didn't run that one, but yeah.
I'll give you credit for it. And this is at Fetch, no, this is at Iron Ox, but we had a Fetch brought over in the Bay Area, San Francisco. And this is in Germany with Michael Gorner, another one of our main maintainers who couldn't make it. Where was this located in Germany? Stuttgart. So if you're watching this remote because you can't be here, or if you're a student yourself here, we've really enjoyed our Google Summer Code programs in the past, and the best way for us to accept you is if we've seen you commit stuff before to the repos, and we see a little bit of effort, and that's the perfect person. And we have tons of projects. We'll give you all this roadmap and say, do one of these things. I was a Google Summer Code student, yeah, under Mark Moll, and I actually was working with Kay at the time, Sensei. And otherwise, to get involved, I encourage you to watch the discourse for MoveIt, the channel. And so you click that little button, and you choose watching, and you'll get your feed of emails. Personally, I like the watching first post, so I don't get too much spam. And if I really like the post, then I'll subscribe. We have maintainer meetings every month, and a few months ago, we've opened it up to the public. For the first couple of years, it was the core maintainers, and we were having just kind of organizational discussions and big decisions, but we decided to let everyone join in and listen, although we do keep it pretty advanced, so we don't want any crazy beginner questions, but this is where we decide on big pull request decisions and community rules. We've recently added a code of conduct, and that was quite a big discussion, but it keeps the community alive and vibrant, and so if you guys are here, that means you're plugged in enough. I'd love to see you at those meetings. And in general, we have a whole page on our website about how to contribute if I haven't given you enough details. Doing documentations. Ross Answers is something that Heist excels at, but we need more people doing. Is that a good shout out for you? More people?
Yes.
Okay, great. Topic experts. Of course, fixing bugs, adding features, making bug reports that are detailed so that we can reproduce them. Otherwise, we can't do much with them. Again, thank you to AWS for sponsoring today. I enjoyed their talk earlier. And thanks again to our maintainers. I'm not sure what my slides are next, but I just, they've done so much from this list, these guys, so pretty awesome crew. And King Julian says goodbye. Thanks, guys.